In Zlendo Realty, adding and customizing furniture is simple and flexible in both 2D and 3D views. Open the model library, where you'll find a wide range of furniture options. First, place a sofa in the room. Once selected, use the rotate option to align it properly with the walls and layout. Next, add a rug to define the seating area. Position it neatly under the furniture to improve balance and visual flow. Now place a chair. Instead of adding it again from the library, use the copy option to duplicate the chair and quickly arrange multiple seating units. Similarly, add another model as required. Once your furniture placement is complete, switch to 3D view. Here, you can clearly see how the furniture looks in real space. Check alignment, spacing, and overall comfort. Now try adding models in 3D view. This seamless workflow between 2D and 3D helps you design functional and realistic interiors with ease using Zlendo Realty.